Hello everybody. Today I can determine the intervals where a function is increasing, decreasing, positive, and negative by stating the x values, where each interval starts and stops. This builds on our intervals lesson. We have to know how to write intervals, and now that we do, let's go. Let's start with increasing, decreasing. I'm going to use blue for increasing. I'm going to use red for decreasing. So first, we're going to identify where it's increasing and decreasing. If I'm going up from left to right, I'm increasing. If I'm going down, I'm decreasing. I think about like a roller coaster. If I'm going up the roller coaster, I'm increasing. If I'm going down, I'm decreasing. So if I'm on this roller coaster from left to right, I'm going up, till I get there. Then it's going down, down till it gets there. And then I'm going up forever. So the first component is identifying that the blue is increasing and the red is decreasing. Now, to write the intervals, it's the x values where each piece starts and stops. So I'm going to go from left to right. My first increasing piece. Do I have graph all the way out here to the left? Yes, the graph is pointing down and left. So my first increasing interval is going to start at negative infinity. It's blue until it gets here. That's in between negative 3 and negative 2. Let's call that negative 2.5. Now there's one other blue piece. The next blue piece starts here. X value. It's a little bit more than 0. Let's call it 0.5. And it doesn't matter if it's exactly this x value. It's a little bit approximate here. I'm not concerned about that. Increasing, blue. Do I have blue all the way out here? Yes, to positive infinity. Decreasing is the red from left to right. So from left to right, the red piece starts here. X value, that's negative 2.5 until it gets to 0.5. Decreasing is negative 2.5 to 0.5. It's the x value where each piece starts and stops. Now, positive, negative. It's totally different. Positive, negative, it's positive when it's above the x-axis. So let's kind of like cover everything that's below. Anything that's above the x-axis, that is positive. So let's make green positive. This piece is positive, and this piece is positive. Negative is anything that's below. So let's go purple for negative. That's your negative. So now that I identified it, now that I have the positives and negatives identified, again, I'm just stating the x value where each piece starts and stops. So it's positive from, where's my little line here? Come on, line. There we go. The green piece starts at negative 3 and ends at negative 2. And then there's another green piece. It starts at positive 3 and it goes on forever. That's infinity. There's two purple pieces, so there's two negative pieces. So the first piece, again, it's always left to right. Negative infinity to negative 3. And then the other purple piece starts at negative 2. Now, it doesn't stop being purple until it gets here. Don't confuse increasing, decreasing with negative. This whole purple piece is negative. That's from negative 2 to positive 3. That's it. That's all I got. I can go over another example, but I don't think I need to. It is positive when it's above the x-axis. It's negative when it's below. And then to write the intervals, it's the x value where each piece starts and stops. And for increasing, decreasing, it's increasing when from left to right, you're going up the roller coaster, and it's decreasing when it's going down. And again, you're just listing the X values where each piece starts and stops. Practice it, refer to the key as needed. Goodbye.